your face, to hear your voice, and all to touch you is a dream come true. So I'm standing here with my hand held out, knowing that your love will never fade. I stand amazed without a doubt. I wanna hear your voice in the morning when I rise. Think I know I'm just a normal man, only made of sand.
Much like what I never imagined growing up, I met you at that perfect place and in not so perfect time. Without hesitation, you attached me and taught me what perfection really is. Perfection started when you took who I was, where I was coming from, and everything I thought I knew, and fell in love with me unconditionally.
Made me better today than I was before. Now my heart can...
Sarah, you are my entire reason for being as happy as I am, day in and day out. You give my life meaning and purpose when things are cloudy and tough. You point me in the right direction when I am lost and troubled. When I'm fearful, you lead me hand in hand. You show me that however rough things can be, there's always light at the end of the tunnel.
Oh, you take me away, and every prayer I've ever prayed was answered today. So I'm standing here with my hand held out, knowing that your love will never...
Tyler, do you take Sarah to be your wedded wife, to cherish in love and in friendship? Do you promise to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, and to love her faithfully, today, tomorrow, and for as long as you two of all shall live?
I do always.
Sarah, do you take Tyler to be your wedded husband, to cherish in love and in friendship? Do you promise to love him, comfort him, honor and keep him for better or worse, for richer or poor, in sickness and in health, and to love him faithfully today, tomorrow, and for as long as the two of you shall live?
I do.
Sarah and Tyler, as you begin your married life, let the love and trust you have for one another continue to grow, and always remember that love is what brought you here today. And it is through love by which your marriage shall endure. And now, I am happy to pronounce you husband and wife. Tyler, please kiss your bride.
Tyler, Sarah, couldn't be more happy for you guys. So happy to be a part of your guys' day. Can't wait to see all the little Bentons run around, little Tyler's, little Sarah's. Cheers to both of you guys. Happy to be a part of it.
Thank you, Sarah and Tyler, for allowing us to share in this special day with you guys. We love you guys so much, and you guys are going to make the most beautiful babies. It's true. Cheers to Sarah and Tyler. Love you guys.
Made me better today.